Hi everyone, Chad Burton here in the latest episode of the ABA series on helping law firms move remote in light of the pandemic. An interesting challenge that we're hearing about law firms across the country having is how to deal with courts being closed or partially closed in light of the current health crisis. Courts are doing a great job of communicating to the public and to lawyers on what's open and what's not. And it really varies jurisdiction by jurisdiction and court by court because everyone is experiencing a different issue. Some courts are open and some courts don't accept electronic filing at this point. So we've been hearing how law firms are struggling to figure out, okay, how to handle filing issues when you perhaps are, on lockdown, or don't want to leave the house because you are fearful of doing it, and just or people on your team that are normally available either have been laid off or are not available to do things like you know do physical filings in court and and or get documents from the court when necessary if electronic filing is not available. On ABA Blueprint, there's a solution that I think will be a great way to creatively solve this problem, either dealing with local filings or if you have filings that have to happen in another jurisdiction or across the state, and the concept of sending somebody to do that is no longer feasible because of your firm situation. We have a provider on Blueprint called ServeManager, where you can upload documents and select process serving companies from across the country to help you file or retrieve documents. Most of these companies are full service where they will do service of process, like you think about, but also become your virtual court runner or document retriever. So take a look at that. If you're having problems dealing with getting physical filings and with courts, take a look at ServeManager through Blueprint, and uh, you should be able to find a company, whether local or in different parts of the country or your state, to help you navigate physical filings in light of our, at least partial society shutdown at this point. Thank you again for participating in the series and watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those below or reach out. And we hope that you are staying safe and healthy. Thank you.